Hey, hi, this is Hari. Welcome to my channel AWS with Hari. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the complete AWS Learning Roadmap, the exact step-by-step path you should follow to become an AWS Cloud Engineer, Solution Architect, or DevOps Engineer. By the end of this video, you'll know what services to learn, in what order, and why they matter. Let's get started. Before jumping into AWS, let's quickly understand cloud computing. Cloud computing is simply the delivery of computing services like servers, storage, databases, and networking over the internet. Instead of owning physical hardware, you rent it as needed. There are three main service models: IaaS infrastructure as a service, PaaS platform as a service, SaaS software as a service, and three cloud types: public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud. AWS is the world's leading public cloud provider. Now let's look at the core AWS concepts you should know before learning any service. First, AWS Global Infrastructure. AWS has regions, availability zones, and edge locations that provide high reliability and low latency. Second, the shared responsibility model. AWS secures the physical infrastructure, but you are responsible for how you configure your resources, your data, and your access controls. Third, the well architected framework, a set of best practices across five pillars: reliability, performance, security, cost optimization, and operational excellence. This is where your AWS journey truly begins. These are the foundational services you must learn before moving forward. EC2, Compute Virtual Servers. EC2 provides virtual machines on demand. Learn about instance types, GPU credits, EBS volumes, AMIs, key pairs, elastic IPs, autoscaling, launch templates, Spot reserved, and on-demand instances. Mastering EC2 gives you a solid foundation in compute. VPC, Virtual Private Cloud. VPC is your private network inside AWS. It includes CIDR ranges, subnets, route tables, security groups, internet gateways, NAT gateways, public and private subnets. Every AWS application you build runs inside a VPC. 3 IAM, Identity and Access Management. IAM controls who can access what inside AWS. You'll learn about users, roles, groups, policies, instance profiles, and role assumption. IAM is crucial for securing your cloud environment. Once you understand the essentials, move to these highly used AWS services. S3 storage. S3 is AWS's object storage service. Learn how to work with buckets and objects, storage classes, lifecycle rules, static website hosting, versioning, encryption. It's one of the most widely used AWS services. SES, Simple Email Service. SES allows you to send emails programmatically. You'll learn about identity verification, DKIM, sending limits, feedback loops, and sender reputation. Route 53 DNS. Route 53 is a DNS service used to manage domains, routing policies, traffic distribution, and health checks. CloudWatch monitoring and logs. CloudWatch collects metrics and logs, allows you to create alarms, and helps monitor your entire AWS environment. These services help you build production ready, scalable, and high performance applications. RDS, Relational Database Service. RDS helps you host managed databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, SQL Server, and MariaDB. Learn about backups, snapshots, storage types, and scaling. DynamoDB NoSQL database, a serverless NoSQL database with extremely low latency. Key concepts: tables, partition and sort keys, secondary indexes, streams, capacity modes, backups. DynamoDB powers many high scale applications. CloudFront CDN, CloudFront is a global content delivery network that accelerates static and dynamic content using edge locations. ElastiCache in-memory cache. ElastiCache provides Redis and Memcached caching engines to speed up your applications. Containers, ECS, EKS, and ECR. ECS and EKS help you run containerized applications. ECR stores your container images. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting areas of AWS Serverless, Lambda Serverless Compute. With Lambda, you only upload your code and AWS runs it automatically. Learn, function triggers, event-based scheduling, layers and runtimes, versioning, cold starts, integrations with API Gateway and DynamoDB. So what's the fastest way to learn AWS? Build real projects. Small hands-on projects teach you more than hours of theory. Example project: host a static website in S3, add CloudFront for speed, use Lambda for backend logic, store data in DynamoDB, send emails through SES, monitor everything with CloudWatch. This brings all your skills together, and that's your complete within 10-minute AWS Learning Roadmap. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want roadmap videos on DevOps, Kubernetes, or cloud certifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.